Hi, we learn how to add blank rows between our data, like adding blank rows between like row 2 or 3, 3 or 4, 4, 5 simultaneously. So let's start. This is our data. We need to click on developer tab, then view code. Um, Always give a meaningful title to your code. Worksheet. Define some variables. This defines our last row in our data. This loop will run our code from last row to our third row with a decreasing of a step. So this is the end of our code. If you just press F5 or this little play button, there goes a magic. Here it is. You have now blank rows between your each and every row. So